Hi guys, this is Sampadevi from Creative Studio, and today I'm back with another unboxing video. And today we got the Fastrack reflex fitness band, and here's an important notice: please charge on the USB port to activate the device. It's an important notice, guys. And we have all the features that are available in the watch. The first feature was the steps and distance and calorie tracker, and the sleep tracker, call and SMS alerts. And we have 10 days of battery life, and a vibration alarm, and a water resistant, and a sedentary reminder. And these two logos just represent that the app is available in both the App Store and the Play Store, guys. So now I'm going to unbox it now. And guys, we have some paperwork here, and this paperwork consists of all the instructions and how to use the watch. So I think I don't need it, so I'll keep it aside for some time. So now we have the watch itself. I think they didn't provide any charger for it, because it charges from the USB port. Just we have to plug it to the laptop or desktop so we can charge it, or the mobile charger. And it has at least 80% of charging, and we can see the time now. And it has a very smooth display, a OLED display. And guys, we have the Bluetooth pairing name here, so by saying this we can pair this watch to my smartphone or any other device. So guys, now let's see how to charge this device using the USB port. Now let's see it, guys.